Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking. Today we're going to be making flan. All the ingredients and the procedure can be found in the description box. So let's get going. So the first thing that you need to do is have a cup of sugar and a cup of water, or 2 cups of water depending on how much caramel or flan you want to make, and let it start heating at low or medium heat. After, get a cup of milk or a glass of milk, eggs, and condensed milk in a blender, and also don't forget to add vanilla essence. As you finish that, have some water aside boiling as well, and check on your water and caramel, because soon it's going to be changing color, and ensure it changes to golden or dark brown. Once it's all ready and you're loving the color, let it cool down for 5 minutes. Mix your condensed milk and then pour it on the caramel. Ensure you don't stir, just leave it as it is, and also cover it with aluminum foil to ensure water does not go inside. Have it fully secured. Once you have it fully covered, put it in the hot water that you're boiling and let it boil in there, and heat in there for about 40 to 50 minutes or 1 hour. And then after, take it out, let it cool down, and leave it in the refrigerator for a night or 24 hours, and enjoy your flan the next day or after 24 hours.